Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make beautiful flowers using the candle wax. So I have taken half of the candle and then I have put inside a bowl, and I have a boiling water. So as soon as you drop those waxes, it will start melting. I'm going to add half of the crayon pieces to give it a red color. I'm just scribbling this crayon inside this wax to get the desired color that I want. This color is sufficient for me, and I'm just taking it outside. I have taken some ice cubes, one tray of ice cubes, and then added a little water, and we are going to use this to freeze after making the shape of the flower. I have got a twig in which I am going to make those wax flowers. You trim the twig as per the requirement. Just I have made some 4 or 5 branches for that. I'm dipping my hands into this wax. I have first dipped into my ice blocks, and now I'm dipping my hands. And then wherever I want this flower to be set, I'm just placing it there. And the flower will look like this. I'm going to do a few more flowers like that. The wax was not hot, so it was breaking, so I have again melted the wax, and you can see it. Don't hurt your fingers. Make sure that you rest your hands in this cold water for 2 to 3 seconds, and then inserting my finger. Likewise, we can make flowers in the whole twig. Now the flowers are completed. You can just have a look at it. Thank you friends. Meet you in another video.